Hi, so I got off work today a little early, and I was going to do some fishing anyway, but now I am going a little farther out of the way because I have a little bit more time. There is literally a tropical storm out there. It's a lesser hurricane. It's just not as strong, but it's still going to. It's just going to be a giant thunderstorm all day tomorrow, and probably the next day. It rained a bit today, and it is really overcast, and that is a good thing. I am looking forward to finding some and doing some frog fishing, so we shall see. And there's a couple ponds that I've seen on Google Maps that are just covered in lily pads and muck and all that, so we shall see. Hopefully I will do pretty well with some frogs today, but yeah, stay tuned. There we go. There we go. Not a big fish, but fish nonetheless. Come on. There we go. Nice little bass. There he goes. So what I'm doing is roostertail. I've seen some mullet jumping in here. And if there's mullet, that means it attaches to salt water somehow, which means there might be snook in here. Now I'm throwing an overall bait. Might throw a jerk bait a little bit, but throwing a little rooster tail and see what I can get. Oh my God. Huh. Did that? Oh. 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 Holy crap. I got that on video. Wow. Really hoping I got that on camera. I know my camera was on and it was pointing at that direction, but that was pretty cool. That was about, I'd say about a 40-inch tarpon. It was a decent sized fish for a pond. I was assuming there was bass in, which there are. I caught one. I saw some mullet jumping, and figured there'd be some snook, so I threw it around the rooster tail and switched to a little xrap jerk bait, and it was just, it hit, and I thought I just had a big, decent fish, and all of a sudden it was just rip and drag, just, like, I didn't even have time to think about what was going on before it jumped, and as soon as I realized it was a tarpon, my line went slack. So it happens, but I know another tarpon pond, so that's pretty cool, and you can fish this one. So I'm gonna try, let's see, I'm gonna try one more lake, see if I can get a few bass, and yeah, anyways, stay tuned. So it's about time for me to head home. The storm's starting to move in, it's starting to drizzle. Been into this lake for about 5 minutes. My camera died, so I don't think anything else going to be going on. I mean, you can see the wind coming across the water there. It's yeah. Some days off. Do some how-tos, and I feel like if I stay here much longer, I'm gonna start going. So I'm gonna leave, and thanks for watching, and let me know in the comment section below what kind of videos you want me to do next, anything you think of to help me improve my videos. You know, I'm trying my best to just to get better overall, and I really appreciate everything so far, and it's great now, and I know that I can make this channel really great. So just let me know what you think I can do, and like, comment, subscribe if you already haven't, and thanks again for watching. Yep.